will be 0. Mind it, I have said S, for sometime S can be equals to 0. So for in those cases, Z will be 0 also. And remember, Z if greater than 0, after calculating, if you find a positive set and it is more than your critical set, then it signifies a, or it implies a upward trend, and otherwise downward trend. Matlab, if it is a negative Z, then it is a downward trend. Yeah. Another point is when you will conclude that your data has a trend or not if you have to calculate Z. If your data set is more than 30, then you have to calculate Z, which is also known as standard normal deviate. So when to say that there is a trend with the help of Z score, and when to say there is no trend with the help of Z score. So this Z is also known as Z score. Okay, so like that. So let us see. So here also there will be a critical value table. It is very easily available in the any statistical textbooks or in internet. It is known as standard table of standard normal deviate Z. Sometimes it is also referred as critical table for critical value of Z. Correct. So that is the way. So first thing is how to calculate find out the critical value of Z. Now, it is not difficult. So first you decide for which level of significance you will find the critical value of Z. Okay. So for example, if I say I will pick up 5% significance, the level of significance will be 5%. Correct. Significance is referred or denoted as alpha. So then your next step will be to calculate this one, 1 minus alpha divided by 2. Okay, because generally when you are using Z score, it will be a two-tailed test. Okay, and when you are using tau, it will be a single-tailed test. Okay, so well, let us see. So two-tailed test. So for if I use alpha is equal to 5%, then what happens? You will divide 1 minus 0.05 divided by 2. Correct? So it will come around, I think, 0.95 divided by 2, which will be around 0.47. Like that. Around 0.47. Okay. Now, in your Z table, the table for critical value of Z, here in the header of your column and also for your rows, the table will have column and rows also, and for each column there will be a number as a header. Generally it will start from a lower value and increase towards for your column header it will increase from left to right, and for the row header it will increase from top to bottom. So the column header will start from 0 point something, then 0 point something, then it will be so on, and this will also start from 0, then some 0.01 like this it will come, and here lots of numerical values will be given. So you have to find out this 0.47 from the body of the table. Lots of values will be there. From the body of the table you have to find out your value 0.47. Generally if you go symmetrically from top to bottom, okay, top to bottom if you go, you will find this 0.0, then 0.1 will come, then 2 will come, then 3 will come. So top to bottom in a descending order, ascending order, the values will be written. So generally if you go through this top to bottom approach, you will find maybe in the fourth row and sixth or seventh column,